Hello. Welcome back to another video. Okay, it's your girl Renee, and it is Saturday, so we are here with a weekend vlog. So right now, Bay's out already in the yard. He's already started, but we're gonna do some yard work. We're gonna be pulling up some weeds and planting some grass and stuff over the next few weeks. We're just getting started today and tomorrow together, and then throughout the week when he's at work, I'll probably be doing more of the hands-on. But yeah, he's already out there. He's already been there for about 20 minutes doing everything by himself / with a friend. But yeah, we are going to the movies later. Maybe go out and about. I don't know everything we're doing today, but yeah, just coming to check in and start this weekend vlog. And yeah, so let's go outside. So here's the yard. As y'all can see, it needs a lot of work. So as y'all see, we've been out there doing some yard work. I'm tired, child. It's 1:30. We're supposed to be going to the movies at 4:30, so like 3 hours. So I'm just cleaning up the kitchen really quick. We had tacos last night, so I'll probably just eat tacos before we go. Probably right after this because I'm hungry. So let me just clean the kitchen and make my tacos. We're gonna go see Bad Boys 3, by the way, I think it is. So we did a few hours of yard work. I had to take a few breaks because I was about to doggone pass out. But anyway, so now we're on the way to the movie. Say hey, babe. But yeah, this is what I'm looking like. I just got this, like, even though it's like a nice day, you know, the movie theater be a little cold, so I still wanted to wear a long sleeve, but it's just thin enough to where it's not too hot, but like it'll keep me warm in the movie. So yeah, but we're gonna go see Bad Boys. I think it's the third one, right? 4 or 5. I don't know. We going to see the newest Bad Boys. And yeah, so I'll let y'all know how the movie is when it's over. I'll put my seatbelt on so y'all don't gotta hear the beeping.
Tell them how you're shaking.
Yep, I was. Can't get this freaking seatbelt. I keep locking. There we go. Okay. So it was good. So like it's an action movie. So like 9 times out of 10 with action movies, if it's suspenseful, which 9 times out of 10 they are, I get anxiety because I just don't like violence. I don't like drama, so like yeah, when it's suspense I be shaking. So like I had a lot of anxiety and I was really shaking through the whole thing, even though I knew they was gonna come out on top. I already knew, like, duh. But you know, it's just seeing the storyline of like, oh, what's gonna happen, you know. So yeah, but I thought it was good. I'll rate it like a 9 out of 10. Like if I liked action movies more, maybe I'll give like a 9.5, but like I'm like 8.59, probably 8.5, just because like I'm just not a huge action movie person, but I do like Will Smith. So yeah. What about you, babe? How you feel?
6.
A 6?
6 out of 10.
Dang, you didn't like it?
It's getting old. It's getting redundant.
Maybe this was the last one.
Yeah, if it was the last one, they should have made it seem like it. They didn't.
You don't think it made it seem like it was the last one? I did, because they killed the main bad person.
It'll be a new one.
You think it may be based on his son?
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Maybe based on his son. So, but yeah. We're just gonna go home now and just chill. I don't know why my camera just got. Okay, there we go. Yeah, we just flew home and chill. I don't think we're doing nothing else today. So, are we doing anything else today? Nah, so. Yeah, so I'll probably just catch y'all tomorrow because I'm not cooking or nothing tonight because we ate taco. Well, I ate tacos earlier. Roosevelt ate nachos, and I'm not really hungry. Are you hungry?
We just ate popcorn.
And then we ate popcorn at the movie, so that's what I'm just saying. I'm not really hungry. You got to? Okay. I'll probably see y'all tomorrow. Alright, vlog. It's the same day. I know I said I wasn't gonna vlog no more today, but Bae talking about he wants this shrimp, so I'm about to fry this shrimp for him. But y'all heard him. He said he wasn't hungry, but niggas be lying. So I'm about to fry the shrimp for him because that's what a good wife does. Good morning. Let me open these blinds so y'all can see. So y'all, it's the next day, and as y'all can see back there, we did not clean our kitchen before going to bed last night. So sometimes I like adulting because, listen, it's okay if this is edge control just built up, child. Anyways, yeah, adulting sometimes, you know, if you're tired and you don't feel like doing something, you don't gotta do it. So I'm about to go ahead and get the kitchen clean. I just been watching a YouTube video, but I'm about to excuse me, put on some gospel music while I clean up. It's Sunday morning, and then because my church that I watch it's not on YouTube, they're not live yet. So usually I start out by watching Transformation Church for praise and worship, and then by the time their praise and worship is over, my church starts, which is Grace Club 1. So I'll link both of those channels down below. Transformation Church is a very popular church, but you know, the pastor sometimes be getting a little extra, and it's not everybody's cup of tea, which, hey, that's okay. It's not everybody's cup of tea. So, but if it is, Transformation Church is good. I definitely love their praise and worship, and then I'll tune into my church for their praise and worship and also their message. So yeah, let me just go ahead and get to cleaning, find me a little gospel playlist to play, and yeah. So this is what our fridge currently looks like. So I'm about to try to clean it out, wipe down the shelves, organize a little bit because it's very much unorganized. So.
wife was ashamed because he was like them. Amen. Sometimes you just got to come out of your comfort zone and be able to worship the Lord. With my hands, I worship Him. With my mouth, I worship Him.
So it's later on in the day. I actually went to the gym and just walked on the treadmill for a little bit, and actually ended up doing like some ab workouts too. But now we're gonna go to the store just to get like some things we ran out of, some stuff for the week. My face is looking oily, even though it's not. It's just that lotion. It just make you glow, and I don't got no makeup on, so it's like looking shiny. But it's okay. So yeah, we're just off to the store. But I am really hungry, so we're gonna stop and get some French fries. When I came back, we're at Sam's Club. What do you need these for?
I don't need it. I was just looking at them. Microfiber towels.
My dishwasher users, y'all ever tried the Finish brand, or do y'all always just get Cascade? I've tried both. I like both, honestly. This one is really the best though, the Cascade Platinum Plus. But we're gonna get the Finish Ultimate Cleaner, so we're gonna see. And don't get me wrong, y'all see me washing dishes sometimes, but y'all also gotta know, I don't always like to hand wash the dishes. That dishwasher is gonna do it sometimes, okay? We made it home, and Big said he wanted to cook tonight. God is dead. Bro, I am so oily. That lotion is good, but I guess if I don't put makeup on, it makes my skin so oily. But anyways, yeah, so we just ended up going to Walmart and Sam's Club. So I'll show y'all what we got real quick. And Big gonna cook. So he gonna make him some vegan sloppy joes, and I don't know if it's vegan, but vegetarian sloppy joes, and he's gonna make me some mini burger sliders because I just can't do the fake meat. So for the sliders, got some high and rolls. This is fake ground beef, cheese, lettuce, salsa because he's addicted to chips and salsa, his sloppy joe sauce, and then sprinkles for some ice cream. All over here. Then we got some Oreos because we're gonna make McFlurries at home. We got the McFlurries at home, okay? Even though we did go to McDonald's for them French fries earlier. He got some stuff for his he has a race this weekend, so some stuff for that. Some fruit. So I'm gonna make my juice again. If y'all are not keeping up with my shorts or my TikTok, I did make some detox juice. Some what juice?
I don't know. What kind of juice?
Some detox juice. So got some more grapefruit for that.
I thought you said nasty juice.
I'm not about to tell you the truth. My juice was good. Roosevelt drank all of it. Ground beef for my little burgers. My Good Burgers. Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. May I take your order? Yeah. And then this man always just got so much to say behind camera, behind the closed doors. I don't know why he got some vinegar, but he got some vinegar.
You was laughing, you was the only one laughing. It's crazy.
You've been cracking up this whole time. Some pickles for the sliders. Let me ask y'all if y'all believe in expiration dates on food. Because my man does not believe in expiration dates on food. And I let things slide maybe a day or two. But after that, nah, baby, go ahead and throw that away. Let me know if y'all believe in expiration dates on food. We're gonna see what the vlog say. All right, we re-upped on some bread for the sandwiches or toast or whatever. Got some lime for Rosa likes lime water, but this is for my juice, a detox juice. Avocados. I think you want to make avocado toast. Bananas. Okay, so they got this at Trader Joe's, and the Trader Joe's one is good, but they also have one by Kinder's. So it's the crunch blends like chili, onion, and garlic. So it's supposed to be like a nice little spice thing. And this is so good on so much stuff, on pasta, on eggs, on avocado toast. Like this just do it. It do it for me. Well, I haven't tried this brand, but we're gonna see if this brand do it for me. We like this Japanese barbecue. This is good. Got some more tuna. And then some french fries to go with our burgers and sloppy joes tonight. So yeah, that's the haul. Bay already started cooking. Shout out to him. So yeah. Oh man, that cooked for y'all. That's all I'm gonna say.
A husband, you mean?
You know what I mean?
A husband?
So you know what I mean?
You gotta use the technical term. Use that term when we was boyfriend, girlfriend.
You still my man.
I'm more than that now.
Oh, okay. Y'all heard it. Bay and his sloppy joes. And then he got my burgers going and my little onion sauteing over here. And then he just made us some, we got Chick-fil-A at home, okay? These are Chick-fil-A fries. Chick-fil-A waffle fries. And we got Chick-fil-A sauce in the fridge. All right, so these are my sliders. I am not gonna eat all 5 of these. I'll probably eat like 2, maybe 3. Bay's food. Yeah, so Bay over there, he just cleaned up a little bit. But yeah, we're about to grab on out.